Racing Jazz is started with Don Guru. Grace Park Boy is down on the inside. Michika Warhawk rushing about the outside is Matang Tubig while Eastern Nova is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader run going along for the first turn with a quick. He's striding Grace Park Boy on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Don Guru is right behind in second. Matang Tubig na win third. Michika Warhawk in between horses while Istaneno is still racing in last back to the leader of Grace Park Boy by about 3 lengths, and in second Matang Tubig. Don Guru moving upon the outside. Michika Warhawk while Istaneno is still racing in less. Another fourth turn with Grace Park Boy by about half length. Don Guru now about to throw the challenge on the outside, and next online is Matang Tubig, Michika Warhawk and Istaneno, and they are now entering the home stretch. Grace Park Boy moving upon the outside is Don Guru. Grace Park Boy by over a length. Moving upon the outside is Don Guru. Grace Park Boy, Don Guru. Michika is down in third. We have Grace Park Boy, and finally Grace Park Boy, Don Guru, Michika Warhawk, Matang Tubig, and Istaneno.
Alright, bandarang tapos. Nanalo yung boy, Lucky Leia. Si Grace Park Boy. With apprentice Peter John A. Gused. Then masisigundo yung pili mo, si Don Guru. Then Michika Warhawk. 4-6-2-3.